My name's Shawn Ryan. I'm the technical director with Gold Corp, and we're a junior mining company based out of Dawson City, Yukon, Canada. White Gold is basically a project that I've been putting together for the last, 20 years. And the idea is that we've got a massive land package right in the heart of the Klondike Gold Rush, where the 1898 guys found all this placer gold. So what we're doing is actually looking for the source of the placer gold. And that's kind of the intent of the company. And I've been doing that as a prospector for the last 20 years up there. And about 10 years ago, we started making some nice big discoveries. We made the Underworld, my white project. That was the first discovery with 1.5 million ounces. Then the next discovery 2 years later, that was in 2008, the white, and 9, got bought out in 2010 by Kinross. And in 2010, we drilled the discovery hole with a company called Kaminak, and they basically took the coffee project all the way up to 4.5 million ounces, where Gold Corp bought it out, and then Newmont since then has taken out Gold Corp. So they're actually the owners of that deposit. And the idea was, these are low-hanging fruits. And what we've been doing for the last 20 years is these big regional soil databases. And the analogy is, we're looking for the haystacks. We don't quite know where the needles are in there, but the idea is that we know where the mineralized systems are. And that's our job right now with White Gold, is to hunt along these mineralized systems. And usually they're cracks, because it's all structural controlled systems. We find these cracks, which are anomalous in gold, and then we come in and start diamond drilling these things. These are all low-hanging fruit. My main strategy right now, because it's non-glaciated terrain, is I'm actually using like a tulip plant or a soil auger that goes down 3.5 feet to take our soils, and that's where we're finding all these new mineralized systems. So literally, this is all virgin country we're working over, and we're sometimes the first guy to walk that ridge and find some quartz with visible gold in it. So this is just the beginning. The idea is that White Gold is really designed to hunt across this district. Once we make a bona fide discovery, we follow it up with a second phase of diamond drilling, and if it's got legs, then we actually spin it out. We're a project generating company. We don't want to get tied up in delineating a resource. We're kind of doing that right now with the white because the company's unique also, in not only this big land mass, is that we have Agnico as our partner, 19.9%, and Kinross owning 19.9%. So we have two majors backing us up on this hunt. And the idea is that with the Kinross, basically, when they jumped in at 19.9, we picked up my original white gold discovery that was it's up to 1.5 million ounces right now. So the idea is that we've been delineating that a little bit in the last couple of years, expanding that resource. But we're actually getting ready to pop that out of the company or figure what we're going to do with it. And so the idea is now is we're going to continue hunting this district. The last hole of the season last year is we're going to start off this year. And what we ended up doing was drilling a hole that was 7.5 meters at 72 grams within an intersection of 33 meters of 14 grams. These are high-grade holes. So the idea is that was with a RAB. This year we're going to come in, and that's going to be hole number 1 with a diamond drill. We're going to start that June, probably the middle of June. We should have results by the end of July. So stay tuned. WGO on the TSX.